the mountains. It's raining, windy up here. We're in the best way. We're in the pool. Had a good day. I wrestled with Cam. He said he was from Chaotic Wrestling. He was funny. You know, his daddy trained there back in the day. But we had a good time. We go home Friday or Thursday. Probably Friday. We're having a great time. Me, Samantha, Cameron, my mom, and Paul, their anniversaries today. Just out here recording, almost 7 o'clock, time to relax soon. Sit down, have a few drinks, relax. I want to be nowhere else today. I want to be with my family. It's been a good time. I love Samantha Drad Bolkers, Chambers, Paul Chambers, Cameron Bolkers. Look at that wind, that rain coming down. Look at that. Wow. Look at the white mountains. And the clocks yesterday was awesome. I can't hear me because I remember this is my vacation stories. So I put them on YouTube, make a YouTube channel and stuff. My name is Anthony. Alright, 2 windows.